Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. So in my previous videos I showed you the whole process of installation of Kali Linux. So I will provide the link of that video in the description, so go and first watch that video, and after that watch this video. And in this video I will teach you about of what you need to do after install Kali Linux. So basically we are going to perform some commands which are necessary if you want to learn something about ethical hacking. So these all commands are necessary in ethical hacking. So let's get started. And the first command which we are using is sudo su. Sudo su is basically switch to the super user. I am a simple user, so with this command I will become a root user. Hit enter and you can see now I am root user, and now I can execute all the commands, and with the root you can install all the packages that you want. So if I show you if I show you the working directory, and this is the second command. This is pwd, which shows you where you are right now. So I am in home and my user Kali 123. So the next command is to see which OS or which operating system you are using right now. If you want to see that, type cat/etc/os-release. Hit enter and it will give you the whole information about this machine. And this is the Kali machine. Kali Linux version is 2023.3, and you can check these information with the one more command, which is uname -a. So you can see it gives us small information about the operating system. So let me just clean my screen with Control L, and it's time to check our we want to check our IP address. For that we will use IP. So you can see it gives us IP. Our IP is this, and this is the machine IP basically. So move to the next command, which is ifconfig. Ifconfig is also used to see the information about IP address. You can see here it gives us same result like IP address, so you can see both commands. So next command is the next command is SSH, and with SSH you can use the IP address of your server and connect through SSH. Like I would say SSH and username, then @, and after that @ you will provide the IP of your server that you want to connect, and when you hit enter you connect to that server. You will connect that server which IP you use to connect to the server. So the next command is ls basically used to see the list of the directories and the files. So these are the directories which I have right now, and if you want to see the more details about these directories, you will type ls-ltr. It will give you the result which shows which is the directory and which permissions that which permissions the directories have. So this is the way to see the permissions and all the data about directory. And if you want to update or upgrade your system and you are using Debian based Linux, so you will type apt-get update, and you can also specify apt-upgrade. And if you are using Red Hat or CentOS, you will update or upgrade and also use to install the package. You will use yum install and the package which you want to download. Now it's updating and upgrading my system. Okay, so our packages are up to date, and that command is used to see that command used to see the package or the software is installed or not on your system. So if you installed and forgot about that software, so you can check through which command, which tells you the package is installed or not. So let me just search Node.js, and you can see Node.js not found. This command used to see the package is installed or not. Now our next command is wget, is used to install any package through internet, you type wget, and after this command you will paste the URL of that package you want to install, and that package install on your system. Now move to the next command, and if you download that file in zip format and you want to unzip that command, you will use unzip, and after that you will specify the folder or that software you want to unzip, and just hit enter, and it will unzip your file. So move to our next command, and if you want to check your DNS server type, you will type cat /etc/resolv without e and then conf, and this is your DNS server type and server IP. If you want to test any connection, you will type, if you want to test any connection, you can test through ping command, and after type ping, you will paste your IP and the connection you want to test. Cal command is basically used to see the calendar through terminal, and if you don't have this command, type apt-get install cal, and it will install that command. If you want to check how much memory you have, so type free, and it will show the total size and the used and how much free disk size you have right now. Diff-h is also used to see the memory of the operating system. So you can see this is the total size and how much memory you used and how much memory you have available. Move to the next command, and if you install any software and it's not running, so you need to enable that software, like when you install Docker, it's compulsory to enable Docker and start as well. So if you install Docker, after installation type systemctl enable Docker, and the same process. If you want to start Docker machine, you need to run systemctl start Docker. Now move to the directory or file system. Now if you want to create a file, you will type touch command. With the touch command you can create a file. Now if I just type ls, you can see the file has been created. Now if you want to type something inside that file, you will type nano and the file name. Now you can type anything here. To save this file, press Ctrl X, Y, and hit enter. If you want to make a directory, you can type mkdir and the directory name, and this time if I just type ls, you can see that the directory has been created. Now if you want to go inside that directory, you will type cd and the directory name. Now you can see we are inside our directory. If you want to come back to the main directory, you will type cd and 2 dot, and you can see now we are back to our home directory. So this is it for this video. Hope you learned something about Linux, and these all commands are necessary to learn if you want to start your ethical hacking journey. So thank you so much, and like this video, and we'll meet in next video. Thank you so much.